Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. Excuse my voice, bit of a sore throat today. Now, if you're new to organic affiliate marketing on Facebook, or you have some experience, then you know that it looks a lot easier from the outside looking in. But in reality, it is a lot of work. And not everybody makes it in this industry, but for those that do, the rewards are very high. But there are many pressing issues that organic affiliates have to deal with on a daily basis. Now, having a professional profile, making the right friends, putting out the right content, engaging in other people's content, and then you have the nightmare of Facebook Messenger, which a lot of affiliates don't like going on. So we all have the option to teach ourselves all these skills, but that can take forever. So trying to find the missing pieces and struggling to put them together is not the best way to do it. Now, I've been involved in the affiliate marketing space for over 23 years, and obviously you can learn a lot in that time. And one of the things that I have learned is to leverage your time, because this is your biggest commodity, so you don't want to waste it. And my advice to you is stop trying to find these missing pieces. Just go to somebody who already has them, and all you need to do is just fit them together under their instruction. So there's no guesswork. It's a time-saving exercise that will bring success to you sooner, I guarantee it. And maybe you're thinking that, oh well, I don't know anybody who has these missing pieces, but fortunately, I do know. Now, this guy is a specialist in the organic affiliate marketing space and has made hundreds of thousands of dollars just using Facebook. He has tested everything and anything, and he's going to pass everything on to you for absolutely free. The news is that this guy has a brand new, a free masterclass where he's going to reveal everything to you, and it's just not going to cost you a penny. So if you're serious about Facebook organic affiliate marketing success, then you really need to see this. You can watch it at your leisure anytime you want, and if you do have any questions, then he will answer them for you. Now, if you ever wanted to beat the competition and start making those high-ticket commissions quickly, then this is your free pass. What you have here is basically a golden ticket that can skyrocket your affiliate commission in no time. Now you have the advantage. You're holding all the aces. So what are you going to do? Take advantage of an offer of a lifetime, or go back to your daily struggles with no affiliate sales? Difficult decision, huh? A free masterclass that you can join straight away. You can watch it immediately. It'll cost you nothing, absolutely free. So why don't you learn from a six-figure marketer who can reveal everything to you? No more struggles, no more pain, no more stress and frustration. Once you learn what he's going to teach you in this masterclass, I tell you that your commissions will start to increase. Your engagement will increase. You'll have a much stronger organic affiliate marketing business in no time. The link for this masterclass is in the description.